Good night, girls.
Come to me. Jesus replied, let it be so now. It is proper for us to do this to fulfill all of righteousness. Then John consented. As soon as Jesus was baptized, all of us who were baptized into Christ Jesus were baptized into his death. We were therefore buried with him through baptism into death, in order that, just as Christ was raised from the dead through the glory of the Father, we too may live a new life. You asleep?
He's moving every hour. No. Oh, yeah, video. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Look where I am. So yeah, guys. Hey guys. So we are having a little pause in this video just to do my BH Cosmetics haul. Yeah, so guys, I made this order. I don't even remember, but yeah, we gonna unbox. But I already opened this, so we know. So this is how it comes. So let's remove all of that. So it comes with these things here. There we go. These are just some advertisements, and then this bad boy. So yeah, this is the Royal Affair 10-piece metallic brush set. And I did open these before, so this is what they look like. They're pretty cool. And I will be using some of these in my videos. So yeah, this is what the end looks like, and they're pretty soft. So great. It was a good purchase, but it's a 10-piece brush set. It's not too expensive, so they cheap. And then this is an eyeshadow palette that I bought. Comes in all this packaging. Okay, let's get rid of that. Alright guys, so this is the eyeshadow palette. It is the Modern Matte 28 color eyeshadow palette, and it's from BH Cosmetics. So as I said, I did open these before and I swatched a few, and they are pigmented like whoa. So this is it, guys. It is so cute. So cute. So we'll take that plastic off. There we go.
The banner that sits there.
You can't do that?
Level up, level up, level up. Another level, elevate your level.
This is Jackson. You got shrimp. Hi. So, as you guys can see, I am not at home, not in my regular thing, but we are here at Holiday Inn, and trust me, I love it so far. Some months ago, I asked Sylvia what was her favorite color. She told me purple and baby blue. So I thought I wanted to do a little surprise for her. I told my sister about it, but I didn't tell her how I was gonna do it. So I snuck off, told them I was gonna go to the bathroom, and I'm gonna show you the tour of the room and show you the surprise. So when you enter, this is the door. It's an automatic door, which means you use this kind of key. Yep. All right, and then to my right is the closet. Yeah, those are my bags, Tobia's bags. And then this is the bathroom to the left. Pretty nice, pretty tiny, cozy bathroom. Hey guys, nice shower and stuff. You know, the good stuff. And then to the bedroom. So we got stuff along the way. We got a good mirror, the TV, we got a coffee station, guys. This is pretty cool. Coffee/tea section. And I set up my makeup area over here. So I'll be doing my makeup here. And I'll show you guys the balcony tomorrow morning. This is the living room area, and then the surprise. Oh my god, she's gonna freak out. So I have my little happy birthday little thing stuck there, and then some balloons, and the blues and the purples are her favorite colors. I just adding that heart and this clear one right here. So yeah, that's the room here, and this is a full light mirror. You can see me. By the way, my OOTD, this pants is from Old Navy. Not sure where this is from. Let's got some flip-flops on. And yes, guys, I did get my nails done. I'm gonna go outside and let you guys see what it looks like. This AC is blowing. So we're gonna open this door if we can. There we go. So yeah, that's what outside looks like. We are in front. We got a standard. We kind of got a standard room kind of thing. So yeah, that's what it is. But I'm gonna head back down so I don't look suspicious. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I pick up the vlog, probably when I reach to them, and I'll show you guys her reaction and all that. So bye. Yes guys, so I'm walking back. I'm gonna try and take the elevator because I ain't in the walking biz. I'm lazy. Oh, hi Smith.
Hey yo.
We are trying tour out the place, and then people are lazy. They lazy. They don't want to walk. But me now, look how they're so cute. So, how's it so far?
It's going good, you know. Just checked in, we had a few stuff. But I promised myself I'm gonna eat at least $10,000 tonight.
Yeah, I mean, feel like she actually eat the 10,000. So yeah. So yeah, we're gonna keep walking and exploring this place. So yeah. Yes guys, so we are retiring to bed. We just had fun. It's 4:02 something exactly. Hello. Then last week. I know this one. I don't know, but me I go in the elevator. I live at Eva for last.
Yeah.
Come I go second floor.
You come in now. Then last an idiot. At second floor with an idiot.
So where I go? I second floor really far.
I don't know something like that. So when you make me come in here for? I don't know how we live. So you make me follow you there for? So we want to go look.
Woohoo! Yes, guys, back to the vlog. Remember our surprise, guys? Let's see her reaction and stuff. I am living. You how I feel up here? Just saying. yeah, let's go to our room.
Oh, if you don't write it down, pretend I said it.
Open for me. Okay. There we go. Girls like you go, girls like you
Girls like you.
gonna go so.
Happy birthday to you. That's how we never show. Just so you throw a excitement. And that's why she came up here. But we had to do cues and that's why she wanted not to do nothing. We came to do.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. You taste it, just taste it.
Happy birthday to you.
You
See, happy birthday one day. Guys, I'm gonna say today was a success. The surprise was a success, so that is awesome. But I'm gonna have a bath and go to bed because my eye is red right now, which means I am totally tired. So I need to get to bed. So guys, I will see you in the morning.
Another one.
Got him.
I feel like Usain in the cheetah print.